Professional Hood Auto Darkening Solar-Powered Professional Welding Mask Auto Darkening Filter switches from light to dark in 1/25,000th of a second in event of electric failure. The welder remains protecting against UV and IR radiation. This welding hood has earned a 1/1.5 rating and meets the safety and technical standard of EN379 and ANSI Z87.1. Solar-powered welding helmet with auto darkening filter switching from light to dark in 0.00004 seconds. A smart choice for safety. Equipped with standard 3.9*3.2 clear visor viewing area, diffusion of light, variation of luminous transmittance, and angular dependence allowing the welder to see clearly at different angles. Lightweight, suitable for long time working. The adjustable headband fits your head with great stability, which effectively improves the weight distribution. The distance of the darkening lens can be controlled by adjusting the knob. The comfortable headband ensures the safety and comfort of the welding work. Balanced with an adjustable and fatigue-free comfortable headgear. The Auto Darkening Filter enables welders to adapt to various working environments by controlling the shade of the lens. Battery-powered with solar panel technology and CR2032 Lithium battery for longer life, up to 5,000 hours. Great for TIG-MIG MMA. Plasma applications with grinding feature. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Safety and protection. Passive filter with permanent shade 13 to UV, IR. Combined with double-layered auto-dimming LCD shutter, providing sufficient and accurate shade range within 4/5 to 9/9 to visible lights. Full face neck coverage protecting welders from spatters and harmful radiant, meets ANSI Z87.1 standards. Number 2. Clean comfortable view. Equipped with standard 3.85 by 3.15, clear visor viewing area, diffusion of light, variation of luminous transmittance, and angular dependence allowing the welder to see clearly at different angles. Number 3. Manual adjustment meeting different demands. Equipped with a LED digital display, precise setting of shade, sensitivity, and delay, adapt to different environments and task duration. The filter's illumination level is DIN 4, switching from dark to light within 0.1 seconds to 1.0 seconds. Number 4. Reliability. Interference suppression technologies, minimizing false triggering. Less sensitive to sunlights, workshop lights while very responsive to the welding arc. Number 5. Versatility. A great personal protection equipment designed for industrial use that can handle multiple processes of plasma cutting, abrasive wheel cutting, grinding, DC TIG, AC TIG, MIG, MAG, MMA, stick welding, which are popular in the metal fabrication industry, welding schools, welding shops, auto manufacturing, and repair industry, ship factories as well as DIY hobbyists projects. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.